Well, I'm gonna see if I can do it for little Willie here for old Sally. And I'm gonna come back up that hill and see what it'll do.
He ain't gonna make it, I swear he ain't.
How'd you like that? My light fixture come out.
Your light fixture?
All that bouncing around. Huh. Let's see, how did that go? I just don't know. It's just something all the time. Poor old thing. This old lawnmower's about had it, boys. I ain't kidding you. Old 14 horse overhead valve, muffler shot on it, starting to smoke.
Where'd all that come from?
Come out of that thing there. I lifted it up. This is my little. If I find stuff laying in the yard, I just stick it down in this little tomato jar.
That's your
storage.
That's your cup holder.
Yeah, there's just part of the starter cog come off of it. Had to replace that a while back. It's been a real lawnmower. I ain't kidding. We've had it since 1994. This thing's mowed this yard from 94 to 2003. And now I just use it to pull my boat around or pull the trailer. And got another lawnmower here a while back. That old green one, I know you've seen it on YouTube. And I took the tires off it and put it on this. This has got fluid in the tires. Both these do. It's real heavy and get good traction. I can pull that boat and everything with it. But yeah, that's about it. Well, we've had a good time today here on the over here on the lake. Seafoam that old truck. Let's see if go over here and see if it's still leaking oil. Maybe somebody can tell us trouble here. I put that seafoam in it, and it started leaking oil down the bottom. Maybe somebody can tell me about that. I don't know why I'd do that for. It started leaking, then it kind of stopped. Now it ain't been leaking that much. Let's see if we can see anything under here. No, it ain't leaking much now, but I was putting that seafoam in it. There's a leaking everywhere though. Huh? Maybe that seafoam's bad for these old motors. I don't know. I have to get somebody on YouTube to tell me.
Look at all these walnuts.
Lord, Lord. Well, you're going to be busy this winter.
We have a time now.
Hauling them things out. Well, I guess that does it here on the lake, folks. So we'll catch y'all at another great big adventure. Probably going up to Virginia here in about a week. So we'll get some good movies in. So y'all
put it on your calendar.
Put it on that calendar, boys, and we'll talk to y'all later.